Welcome to this explainer. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you could just, skip the entire digestive process and deliver vital nutrients straight to your cells? We all deal with that everyday drag of aging, fatigue, and dehydration, but today we're exploring how clinical IV therapy is being used to essentially hack cellular health and fight back. Looking closely at the medical protocols from Prime IV Hydration and Wellness in Reston, we're going to break down the exact science, the clinical procedures, and the biological mechanics of how specialized interventions are combating systemic burnout. Trust me, this goes way beyond your standard daily multivitamin.
Okay, let's dive right in. Here's our roadmap for today. The bioavailability problem, the intake consultation, formulating the IV drip, the administration process, and finally, timelines and results.
All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the bioavailability problem, the biological hurdle.
So, when you swallow a vitamin pill, those nutrients don't just magically teleport to your cells, right? They have to navigate a seriously grueling internal obstacle course. First up, they drop into the harsh acidic environment of your stomach, which is essentially a vat of acid, where the active compounds are heavily degraded. Then, whatever actually survives passes through the intestinal walls directly to the liver. And this brings us to a crucial biological concept known as the Hepatic First-Pass effect. The liver acts as this heavy-duty filtration system. It metabolizes and breaks down these nutrients even further. By the time this whole metabolic sequence is over, your body might only absorb a tiny fraction of the original nutritional value you ingested. It's honestly incredibly inefficient. And this exactly illustrates the solution to that very problem. Instead of that rugged journey of oral supplements getting chewed up by stomach acids and limited by that first-pass effect we just talked about, we have IV drip therapy. By introducing fluids, vitamins, and minerals directly into the venous system, you are bypassing the digestive tract entirely. It's literally a VIP fast lane for nutrients. This method achieves a 100% absorption rate, making higher therapeutic dosages of vitamins instantly accessible to your cells, all without causing any gastrointestinal distress.
Moving right along to Section 2, the intake consultation, establishing baselines.
You don't just walk into a facility like Prime IV Hydration and Wellness, point at a menu, and sit down in a chair. According to their clinical materials, a rigorous assessment is absolutely mandatory for therapeutic efficacy and safety. The medical team starts by reviewing your comprehensive medical history, including current medications, just to prevent any adverse interactions. They check vital signs like blood pressure, and crucially, they evaluate specific lifestyle factors. Think about it. A marathon runner suffering from intense electrolyte depletion requires a vastly different nutrient profile than, say, a highly stressed corporate executive dealing with chronic fatigue. By establishing clear physiological baselines, the clinical team ensures the treatment is targeted to your exact systemic needs.
Okay, Section 3, formulating the IV drip, from hydration to cellular health.
Now, what's really interesting is how this exact treatment menu breaks down, showing how basic hydration actually serves as the foundation for much more advanced systemic optimization. You've got essential hydration at the base. That's your saline and electrolytes for rapid fluid restoration. But as we move into the more advanced therapies, we get into cellular restoration and advanced precursors, which target anti-aging and coenzyme elevation. Finally, systemic optimization focuses on fat utilization and sustained energy using B-complex and amino acids. It's a highly sophisticated approach to preventative health. To truly understand those advanced anti-aging protocols, we've got to zoom way into the micro level and look at a molecule called NAD+, or nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide. This is a vital coenzyme found in literally every single living cell in your body. It is the absolute catalyst for energy production in your mitochondria and is essential for repairing damaged DNA. The problem? Natural levels of NAD+ drop significantly as we reach middle age, and this biological decline leads directly to systemic fatigue, diminished physical resilience, and that dreaded brain fog. So to combat this natural decline, clinical therapies often utilize something called Niagen. Niagen is a patented form of nicotinamide riboside. Think of it as a highly efficient precursor, basically a building block to NAD+. When administered, it bypasses certain metabolic bottlenecks in the body, allowing your cells to rapidly synthesize the exact cellular fuel needed to boost those diminishing NAD+ stores. This specifically supports healthy aging and helps bring back physiological resilience. All right, this is where the science gets really fascinating. When you flood the system with these vital coenzymes, you are essentially jump-starting the biological mechanics of your cells. First, your mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell, are fueled up to convert nutrients into usable cellular energy, or ATP.
Second, and perhaps more importantly, this abundance of NAD+ wakes up a specialized family of longevity proteins known as sirtuins. Sirtuins regulate cellular health, manage inflammation, and protect your DNA from daily environmental damage. But here's the catch. Sirtuins depend entirely on an abundant supply of NAD+ to operate. If your NAD+ is low, your sirtuins are dormant. Optimizing these levels is the absolute cornerstone of defending against oxidative stress.
Let's zoom back out to the macro level and step back inside the clinic for Section 4, the administration process, inside the clinic. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. Is the catheter insertion process painful? It's totally the exact question anyone considering this clinical procedure would have before sitting down in the chair. And honestly, it's a very valid concern if you aren't exactly a fan of needles. While the clinic's process is designed for strict safety and maximum comfort, first, a registered nurse cleanses the site using strict aseptic techniques. Then, they insert a small gauge needle, which involves a brief pinch, pretty similar to a standard blood draw. But here is the critical part. The needle is immediately removed. Only a soft, flexible plastic catheter remains in your vein. Because the needle is actually gone, the treatment is entirely painless. You can move your arm around, work on a laptop, or just kick back in a zero-gravity chair while the fluid is administered at a medically calculated drip rate over the next 45 to 60 minutes. So, the drip finishes, the catheter comes out, and you head home. What happens next? That brings us to our final phase, Section 5, Timelines and Results, the post-care journey. Let's see how this all builds, because the therapeutic benefits actually manifest on a compounding timeline. Immediately, thanks to that rapid fluid volume expansion, patients report an end to thirst, a very clean boost in energy, and the clearing of mental fog. Over the next few days, as your cells actually utilize those newly available vitamins and amino acids, you see sustained improvements in sleep quality, mood stability, and overall endurance. And then, over the course of 1 to 3 weeks, those deep systemic cellular effects, especially from the NAD+ and Niagen precursors, continue to compound, resulting in some really advanced metabolic benefits. But, the clinical protocol doesn't just end when you leave the building. The medical staff provides very specific post-care instructions. For instance, you are advised to continue drinking plenty of water. Why? Because as your body's cells repair and regenerate, they mobilize metabolic waste and toxins. Drinking water supports your kidneys in efficiently flushing those toxins right out of your system. Furthermore, maintaining a nutrient-dense diet and managing your stress levels are highly recommended to protect the deep cellular investment you just made.
So, we've covered the biological hurdles of oral supplements, the rigorous clinical intake, the deep cellular science of NAD+ and mitochondria, and those compounding timelines of recovery. It is a truly fascinating look at the future of proactive health management. So I'll leave you with this final thought. If you could bypass your digestive system to hack your own cellular aging, would you take the VIP fast lane? Thank you so much for joining me on this explainer. Keep learning, keep questioning, and I'll see you next time.